Yeah, so the create table, the query syntax is create, which is a command in built-in command, table and table name, whatever table name you want to provide it, right? And then first bracket. You can put this bracket here also, that doesn't matter. And then column one, data type, right? So these are the information, like you can put the column in the table, you have a column, right?
Yeah.
So column, and then what kind of data you want for that column, you just mention this thing. What is the name of the column will be here? What will be the data type will be here, right? So if I want to create table and table name. Let's say I'm going to create person table. So I put the table name of the table is persons, right?
Should we write with you? Or
Yeah,
okay.
start writing also. So I create table and I name the table as a person table. So in my database, I'll see a table which is name is persons, right? In column one, what I want to provide. Let's say I want last name of the person and the data type will be what? What data type will be doing this?
Text.
No. Oh, text, yeah, but text is replaced with what? In the note is given, right? Text we don't use.
Okay.
It's replaced with what? Varchar.
Varchar.
So we'll use var varchar, right? And what we can do? We can provide the length type, right? Let's say 250. You can use max also, that's fine, right? Then column 2.
Sorry, interrupt you.
Yeah.
Create space table, then persons, then enter is not come anything.
Why is not coming anything? Show me.
I tried 2-3 times. Is not like.
Show me screen. So you create table person.
Yeah.
And then on the gap there, you can write the other things, right? So take out these things, this whole thing, this
whole thing.
Brackets, yeah, all the brackets. Take out all the brackets.
Can we
right
see
now.
his screen so we can learn some? We don't see his screen.
Okay. Then I can give you like plus bracket in here.
Yes.
Then
and then enter.
Is nothing come.
It will not come anything. You have to write it. It will not come anything automatically. You have to write these things.
Oh.
I just gave you showing you syntax, and then I'm trying to make it how you're gonna write it on these values syntax. I'm replacing all this syntax with appropriate values. So I just gave you a skeleton of how to create a table, and then that skeleton I'm going putting all the things like table name, what will be my first column name, what will be my second column name, what kind of data type will be, what are the length of the data type, all these things, right? So you have to write it. It will not come anything like that.
Okay.
Okay. So everyone write it.
What will be the column names, last name, and after that, what are these?
I'm going on. Hold on.
We don't see screen.
Yeah, hold on. I'll stop sharing. It's okay. So second column, we're gonna go with first name, right? The person have a first and last name, right? And data type will be
Virture.
Varchar. And you can provide the length 250. Right? So we defined two of them.
Yes.
First name, last name with the length, character length is 250, 250 each. We can have third column as a address, right? We can use also varchar of that address and we can provide 250, right? So do you want anything else?
We can put as many as we want, but we don't
Like
need to.
phone number.
So we can put like city maybe.
The address shouldn't be blue, right?
Muni,
Huh?
Uh.
250, right?
Why address is blue?
That's fine, it's taking. When we run, we'll see it why.
Okay, okay. City.
Right now we don't need to do anything. We can put the city also. That's how last name, first name, address, and city. That's the 4 column we want for person table, and the data type is varchar with maximum of 250 character. Clear?
Clear.
Everyone read it?
Like when I write on the 250 is coming like a incorrect syntax near 250. Oh, we need to put the comma, no? After that?
Yes.
Not semi-
After everything, you put a comma, not semicolon.
We can put semicolon as well? No.
No.
Yeah, only commas. Semicolon is after
These
the.
only commas. Semicolon is at the end of this bracket,
Yes.
closing
Okay.
bracket. Last one, you don't need to put comma, I believe. Because there is semicolon. Because these fields, I can write it in one column. So that time
That's
you
why
need to
we
put
can
the
use
comma there. But I just break it.
Yeah.
That's why you're seeing the comma.
Mhm.
Otherwise, you don't need comma.
Mhm.
If there is only one column, you don't need any comma.
Comma. Yeah, got it.
Guys, everyone clear? What is the comma?
no, please repeat that one more time.
You can write it like this way also. So this is opening bracket. Under
Yeah.
that you have all the details, and this is a closing bracket. After that you have a semicolon, right? So how many fields I need? I need last name, first name, address, and city, right? So after writing last name, defining varchar as a 250, I need to put the comma, right?
Yes.
Even in English, right? You do that, right? Whenever you're defining many things in one,
Yeah.
you can put comma and then all these things, right? The same thing, I put the first name and then I put the comma, address varchar, comma, city varchar. Here I didn't put the comma because this is end of my sentence or end of my value, right? Clear this part?
Yeah.
So you can write in one line this way. For better look, I just did this thing. Break it. That's why you're seeing the comma at the end. Understand?
Yeah, but if we, let's say I have a spelling mistake and I want to go back to the first sentence, is there any way we can go? Like
Yeah,
the
click
first
there.
column we put last name. Yeah, we just click on it.
Yeah, you click on it and
Okay.
just change it.
Okay.
What happened?
Okay.
You just
Okay.
click on it, change it.
Okay.
You can move around these lines anytime you want.
Okay.
Anytime around, you can move all these lines.
Okay. Thank you.
Clear, Jafar, Toha?
Yes.
Now, click execute. You will see comments complete successfully. Means your table has been created with these 4 fields, which is last name, first name, address, and city.
Sorry, which one we click? Execute?
Execute.
Okay. You have a one line, I have a 2 line.
What you
After-
two lines?
After I click the execute, I get like
Yeah, that's giving
commands.
you the time when you finished it. That's
Oh,
it.
commands completed successfully, then completion times.
Yeah,
And
that's
you know,
completion time. I didn't
Okay.
activate that, so it's not showing.
okay.
Everyone got this? Command successfully completed?
No, where is the execute button?
Is right there like master, and after that there is execute here.
It's a new
All-
query.
all
After
the way
new
down.
query, after
Okay,
like
yeah.
it's
Down
a
the
new
new
query
query,
button.
there is execute.
Okay, yeah, I guess so.
Jafar, executed? Jafar?
Not yet. I'm sorry, not yet. Yeah, I'm just typing. I know. I remember I did it last time. I was execute the last thing you sent me, so I can.
I got the error message.
What message you got? Show your screen.
I got the error message too, but that was just the semicolon. I fixed it. Mhm. So yeah, you don't have the second brackets. I mean the first bracket on the start and end. That's why.
So the first bracket starting after person table. Enter, put and press enter. After that, yeah. Enter,
Oh.
hit enter.
Okay,
Put the first bracket,
okay.
go down all the way.
Mhm.
Yeah, press enter.
You have to remove
Who's
that
there?
comma as well. Yeah.
Closing bracket and semicolon. And comma, remove the comma after CT varchar. Yes, now execute it.
Okay. Okay.
Line 3. 1, 2, 3. Last name varchar. Oh, last name, first name. You put space in between those things. You can't put space in between those. Yeah.
We should be together.
Yeah. Execute again.
Thank you.
So anytime we create a query, we have to click the new query. Am I right?
Yes. You can do on the same query also. I'll show you.
So after city varchar, we click execute.
Yes.
Yeah, I got it. Command completed successfully. Completion time. This and this. Okay.
Yeah. So where you created by database, can you find the database where you created? It should be your dbo.person, the name
We
of
can't
the
we can't
person.
see your screen.
You can see my screen.
No.
So you need
Yes.
to find this database, right? So it should be on the database master.
Tables.
You
A
see
database.
here, person table.
So we click database, then like a database.
Database, then system database. Click on system database, then click on master database, click on table, and then can click on your DBO person.
Yeah. Then I click the tables, then DBO person.
Yeah.
For some reason, it's not showing to me.
Then
It
DBO
might
person coming like
take some time.
column, case, constraints, triggers, index, statistics.
So click on database.
Yes.
Then master.
I don't see master. System database or no?
System database, then master.
Papa, do you need water?
No, not now.
Master,
Like
then
water, please?
DBO person.
DBO,
Dot person.
Yes.
Master, then tables by Gafur by
Tables.
And
Oh,
table.
oh,
master by tables.
oh, এই জন্যই। তারপর DBO persons, right?
Yeah.
I'm
Okay.
gonna
This is
read.
column key constant trigger.
And I'm gonna save it and close it and restart it so that I can see.
You got it? You see here,
I got it.
column is created with the first name, last name, address, city. There is no trigger.
I get column key constraint trigger index statistic.
Yeah.
Then click column.
Click column.
Then is the last name, first name, address, city.
Yes, I see that.
These key means like this primary key and foreign key.
Which one?
I see that after a column, they have a keys. These keys like a primary key and foreign key.
Yeah. But we
Okay.
haven't defined any foreign key or primary key.
Okay, yeah, we don't do it.
We haven't defined yet anything, any keys. That's why it's not showing any primary or foreign key. So this is how you create a
Table.
table, right?
Yes.
You can, if you want, you can put many other fields you want to do, right? Same way, if you want to create a database, how you create a database? Let's say here the database name is this database and the database name is master, right? Under master is creating all these things, right?
Yeah.
If
Yeah.
I want to create a database with different name and I want to create my tables under that database, I need to create a database first. How you can create the database first? Oli, what is the command? The same thing, create, right?
But I then create.
Then what will be?
Database.
Database and name of the database, right?
Yeah, yeah.
I can say test DB and then semicolon, right?
Yeah.
So this is the same query window where we executed create table, this one, right? Now if I'm going to execute this, it's going to execute from line 1 to line this until finish this line, right? But I don't want to execute this create table because I already created. And if I want to execute this, it will say that this database person is already created. This will give me the error message.
Hmm.
So I want to execute only this line. So I'll highlight this line and then I'll click on execute so that only a highlighted line will be executed and others will not be executed. That's how you can execute many queries within the same window. But if you want to do different, you can click on new query and you can do there also. Understand?
Yeah.
So I have a one question like this. If I write down like a create database like a capital word, can I write down the small word?
Yeah. It's not sensitive.
No. Okay.
No, you can write and try. It's not sensitive, case sensitive.
So we're gonna click on executive now. Execute.
So you highlight this and click on
Execute.
execute. The command is successfully completed and database must be created.
And where I gonna see that one in our
What?
like if there's a create database test DUB, we're gonna see like in our system table.
Yes, database.
Yeah.
So you should have a, let me see where it's created. Should be under database, system table.
So for me, I had to shut down the whole system. I mean, the management studio and restart it to see everything. It was not
It
showing.
came up now?
Yeah, not the test DB. For me, the
Yeah,
person
the
table was
database
not.
came out, right?
Yeah, the person table was not showing, and then I restarted it, and it's showing now.
Okay,
Mine is
so
showing, so I think mine not showing, so I need to.
here you see the TempDB. So under MSDB, Microsoft
Oh, yeah.
database, you'll get the TempDB.
Where?
Temporary database. Yep. And if I go to the tables, no.
Under system database,
Yeah.
click on MSDB
Mm-hmm.
and you click on, under a database, you click on system database and you will see the TempDB. Master
Yep.
model MSDB TempDB which is we created. An MSDB model master, those are created when you install the SQL server. When
Okay,
you
so
click the
which one click? Temp
our
DB?
is like MSDB. Sorry, hold on. That is not our own, right?
No, I
No, that
tried
is
that.
not our own.
MSDB, I don't see. Then table
No, hold
views.
on. Test TV.
I checked all of them.
Sometimes it doesn't come quickly.
Yeah.
Because last time I did created and I was not seeing that DBO demo table. And today I'm seeing that DBO demo table. So it should be like database. Under database should create. Temporary DB.
Taha bhai, quick question.
Need database test DB actually.
Yeah.
Demo client. Sub tables.
Hey, bye.
Duida
It
window,
should
how
be
do I put
here.
side by side?
হ্যাঁ নাকি দুইটা উইন্ডো খোলেন নাই?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, কিন্তু পাশাপাশি কেমন রেখে কাজ করো, মানে আমি একটা বন্ধ করে কাজ করি আর ওটা
না না, বন্ধ করবেন না, বাইরেরটা এক পাশে রাখেন, আপনারটা এক পাশে রাখেন।
কিন্তু আমারটা ক্লিক করলে আবার বাইরটা চলে যায় আর কি।
না না, চলবে কেন? আপনি ওই যে টান দিয়ে, পাশে থেকে টান দিয়ে আপনারটা ধরেন আপনার লেফটে রাখেন, বাইরেটা রাইটে রাখেন।
না, উনি যখন ওনারটা ক্লিক করবে তখন তো ভাইটা তো ইয়ে হয়ে যাবে, ওটা ব্যাক এন্ড ফোর্থ দেওয়া লাগবে।
কেন হবে? আমি তো আছি যে এখানে, বাইরেটা তো জুমের ভিতরে আছে আর আমারটা আমি লেফটে রাখছি, দুইটা উইন্ডো।
Okay, I'll check that maybe after some time we'll see that.
আমি দুইটা পাশাপাশি রাখতে পারতেছি না আর কি।
কেন? এটা তো রাখার কথা। মাউসটা দিয়ে জাফর ভাই,
জি,
একটা মাউস দিয়ে ধরেন আপনার যেটা রাখবেন, একটা মাউস দিয়ে ওটা আপনার একটু লেফটে নিয়ে আসেন আর মাঝামাঝি অবস্থায়। ধরেন আপনি ধরেন পুরা স্ক্রিনের অর্ধেকে আপনি আছেন, বাকি অর্ধেক বাইরে ওখানে রাখবেন, বাইরেটা অন করে বাইরেটাকে একটু আপনি রাইটে নিয়ে অর্ধেকে রাখেন।
শুধু মাউসটা বাইরের স্ক্রিনের উপর নিলে ওটা আবার ইয়ে হবে।
ও আচ্ছা, হ্যাঁ বুঝতে পারছি। হ্যাঁ,
There is no way to search the left side of
থ্যাংক ইউ ভাই।
So here we did not create any ID for this table, which you can assign as a primary table, right?
Yeah, primary ID and
ভাই, থ্যাংক ইউ, I got it now.
So we can use person ID and we can design as a int, right?
পার্সন আইডি আইএনটি।
So this can be our primary key, right? Because every table has to be a primary key.
Are we doing something else now or?
Yeah. We just included person ID int as an integer. On the same table, create table, we just created one more field for
Should
a
we make it
primary
identity or just let it be an
person ID as an integer.
okay. And just execute that line. Okay.
So it
Person
won't
ID,
take,
integer, and comma.
yeah, comma. So
So if
it's
we
saying
take
there
it
is
out that,
already a name in the database, right?
Mm-hmm.
So
So
did
we
you delete
can
did you delete
we
the
can
last line like create database or?
Oh,
we can use what insert command, right? Right?
yes.
Insert. What
Why
else?
it's saying that?
Into, right? Since we cannot run this table, right?
so what we are doing
Remember?
now?
So when I created this table, right?
Yeah.
We had this much, right? We created a table. We use last name, first name, address, and city, right? For this
Yes.
table, and that was created in our system DB, right? In the table master, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Master then
DB
table
of
then
person,
column.
right? Yeah. Now I want to make and I want to insert another field within this table, and I want to insert, let's say, this person ID, this column, right?
Yeah.
And then I want to run this. But if you want to run these things, execute these things, it will say you incorrect syntax. Sorry, it's because the already is in the table is already created.
Yeah.
This table is already created, and
Yeah,
it cannot create anymore.
yeah, I tried the same way and it was saying the same
See,
message.
there is already a object name person in the database.
Yeah.
It will not take these things. So to insert this field only, person ID field, right? What we're going to do? We are going to use insert command, which is like we are trying to update the table by inserting one more column name, which is the person ID. So in that way, you cannot do it, but in this way, we can do it. Right?
Yeah. So we take it out the insert ID.
So insert, what is the syntax for insert command? Anyone? Hasib?
I'm trying to remember. Give me one sec.
Okay, so insert into table name, right? In which table you are trying to do? Polly? What is our table name?
Person.
Persons. Yeah.
Person. Persons, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is the values we are trying to insert?
You want to put it in the first line, first column, right? So integer ID. Values.
Like
ID.
Person ID, right?
Yeah, person ID.
পার্সন ক্লিক করার পরে এন্টার দিলে তো আমার কিছু আসতেছে না এখানে ইনসার্ট
integer. Do we have to declare the variable as well?
Oh.
Space integer. Yeah.
person ID. Oh, we cannot create insert command is like you need to
Yeah, insert command is to put data into
update the
database.
data into the table actually.
Yeah. We cannot insert like a
You
new.
cannot insert that new one.
How to insert a new column then? Like if we.
Yeah, hold on. You can, I think, alter. Yeah, alter. To add the column, you have to do alter.
Oh, yep.
Yeah, alter. So not insert. We'll be doing alter. Alter table name person, and add column name and data type, right? So column name is
Mhm.
person ID, and data type is a integer.
So whenever we add a column, it's gonna be in the first column, or we can select like where we want to put the like person ID. I want it in the like end of the last column. Can I select that?
You can, I think you need to define the
Location.
location of the table column. And exactly where in memory it's taken the thing.
Okay.
So person ID is a integer, right?
Yes.
Everyone got this? Alter table person, add person ID is an integer.
You have to put an S by the end of the person.
Oh, persons, yeah, persons. Polly, Toha?
We did the add person ID integer, then put the enter, but I don't have a.
Did you write what I write? Whole thing
Yeah.
here. Alter table persons, add
Persons.
person ID is the integer, right?
Yes.
There you highlight then execute it.
Yeah.
Oh, we need to highlight,
Yeah, I'm just trying to execute only these two lines, not whole thing.
Now, and highlight, then execute.
Yeah, then you'll see command complete successfully.
But my one
No.
message 4902 level 16 state 1 line 9 cannot be
Yeah.
find the objective persons because it does not exist or you do not have.
I got the same message.
Check here, alter table persons.
Yeah.
Add person ID int
Yes.
semicolon.
In comma.
Yeah,
it's
Semicolon, not
semicolon.
comma.
Yeah, I put
Yeah.
yeah. Everything.
Show one
No,
of
I,
the
I get okay.
Okay. I get
Yeah.
a show you.
Yeah, persons is the same name as the create table name. Make sure that the both name are same.
Becky Jackson sharing.
alter table persons. Add persons as the ID as a int.
And
Now highlight this alter to until semicolon.
yeah. It next two line. Am I right?
Yes. And
Yeah.
execute.
Execute. Same message coming.
No, I get okay, completed successfully.
Bigger your screen is small. Click on that.
Huh?
Do bigger your screen. Make it bigger, yeah.
Okay.
So it's saying what? Message 43, level 16, state on line 5. Cannot find the object persons. You created the table as a person, not person. So why you putting persons?
That's what I was
Your
saying.
table creation is person only. We created a table as a person, and you guys did create a table here. Poly did create as a person only, not persons.
So now
No,
we
you
can
don't
see
need to. No, you don't need. Yeah, now you can do it.
and execute. Yeah. Yes.
Alter table name. You guys need to check table, which table you created. It's right on top there.
Yes, I got it. So can we correct now is a persons in person?
Then you have
If
to
you-
you have to change the name of the table.
Yeah, create table name is persons.
Yeah, how to change the name of a table? Can we change that when we create a table in the database?
So you cannot change the name of the table because you need to create new table. You can delete the table and create a new table. So go
That's
here,
I didn't
go
see
here
it.
and
Like
delete the table.
Oh,
delete table.
Okay. Yeah, go here, right click and delete the table and do this command again. I can put it in the chat, you can copy and make it. So you'll be on the same sync.
I don't see anything. Delete. I right
Or
click.
you can leave it as person for all of those things. Then you
Yeah.
just have to make sure you have to write person all the time, not
Yeah,
exact.
that's fine.
Yeah, but they will make the mistake because I don't want them to confuse it. Better delete,
So-
right click it. Right click on the DBO person. Right click. You see my screen?
Yeah,
And see the delete down there?
DBA person. Yeah.
Yeah, right click and delete. Polly?
see, I'm getting the same error message and
Then
Yeah,
coming is
delete that.
delete. Okay, no?
Delete that.
I don't
Anything
see even
delete?
my table over there. But the first time is the comment complete, but I don't see my table.
You create also person name, right?
Yeah, person.
So create them in person's name.
Yeah, person. Create table, person. Yep.
So what happened? Could able to delete or
Yeah, I delete it. Then I do again.
now create it with persons? Yes.
Yeah.
Polly, you click delete the table, DBO person, and create a new table with persons. Yes.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, I create with the person with S.
Yes, right?
But
Okay.
on the left side, I don't see my table.
You didn't see here? See your table? Refresh it. Right click and refresh it.
No, I don't see that. I did refresh it.
See, I refreshed it and I got this person ID now.
When I did it, now I don't see. I click like system database, master, then
Yeah,
table.
now do right click, right click on the table and right click and refresh. Do the refresh. You will
Right
see
click
it.
table.
Click
Then
on the
this,
table, right
yeah,
click, refresh.
yeah,
I did. I got it.
You got
refresh.
it?
Yeah, then
You see
DOB.
now?
Yeah, I see now.
Yes.
Okay. So now you do alter table person add ID and you will see the column has been added with person ID. Everyone, Hasib, Jafar, you got it?
Let me check 1 second.
Because it was not there. Now you got person ID.
Where do we go now?
Go to
Column?
the column.
Yeah.
You see person ID?
Yeah.
No, it's not showing the person ID
Yeah,
inside.
then right click on the column and refresh. You'll see that.
Yes, now I can see it. Thank you.
Oh,
Yes.
now,
So
yeah,
if you
now
don't see it, just refresh it. Sometimes it
Okay.
don't come.
yeah, I can
So
see
if
that.
you want to see the column, just right click on refresh it. If you want to see the table, right click refresh it. You want to see the database, right click refresh it.
Mine is not showing because whenever I put like alter table person, add person ID int, and I execute that, but it's giving me the error message. And it's spelling everything is right.
what table name you created? Persons or person?
Person. And
So
alter
alter
table. I'm sorry.
when we created the table, the name of the table of what? Persons or person?
Person.
Persons. Now you alter table persons,
Yes.
add person ID int.
Add person ID in. Yeah.
Now highlight these two and execute.
Yes, I did, but it's giving me an error message like mentioned.
Show.
Is there any space between person ID?
Yes. No, no,
Yeah,
no,
there-
no space. No
Okay.
space.
Okay, show the screen.
I'm using two screens. So one laptop I have Zoom, another laptop I have I'm working on SQL. So
So I mean, if it everything right, it must not. There is
it was
something
easy for
might be
me
mistaken.
to.
You
That's what
must
I'm
be
seeing, like LPER.
must be something wrong. You mistaken. If it is everything same, it should execute. It should not give you any error, since it's not giving me.
ALPR, this table, PABLE, and
Toa, you got it?
Yes, I got it.
Person ID, right?
Yes, yes.
So
Person
that's
ID like
how we
INT,
can.
then INT is null.
Yes. So that's how we can add a new column name within a created table. Already table has been created, right? Clear?
Mm-hmm.
Everyone, this is how you first create a table. And then if you want to add more columns, you can do this command alter first persons, add person ID, and write these to add new column within the created table, right?
Yes.
Now we want to add information within this table. Right now, all this table is blank, right?
Yeah.
This all table is blank. There is no information, right? There is no information, right? We want to add the information. What we can do? What command we use? So what command will you use to do this?
Insert, no?
Insert, yes. We need to use insert command.
Okay.
Whose screen we are showing is
You're just seeing my screen, right?
yeah, yes.
Yes.
So we should we insert now?
Yeah. So what is the syntax?
Look like your screen is frozen. We don't see any.
No, he's not doing anything yet.
Okay.
I'm not doing anything. So yeah. Let's see. Okay, so we're gonna do insert, right? Insert into, right? Then what? Table name, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Which is a person,
Person.
right? And the column, right?
Yes.
So we'll have a address. Oh, sorry. What are you gonna do? You do last name, right?
Last name.
Equal.
না
um,
দুইটা সব
Last name equal to Uddin.
syntax.
Probably the Uddin is going to be under the, yeah. And finish with a semicolon, or?
Uddin like a in
I'm not sure. No, the equal is not going to be in there. Let me see.
Syntax.
Oh, I think I remember how you did it before. Like, uh, after person is gonna be all the
Oh,
tables, yeah, and then
okay.
value, yeah.
Yeah, here it is. Forgot. So it's gonna be actually name, comma, it's comma, right?
person.
Okay.
Then
So it will be under quotation, then comma, and then last name, then we want first name, right? So everything will be comma. A quote, right? Okay, so we need these values like that. Okay. Persons, values. We're putting the values, right? First name, last name, address, let's say ABC. Not ABC. Let's put something different. 612 archive dot.
Do we type our name or no?
Yeah, type your names is fine. Or you can type the same thing, or you can type your name, that's fine. Or type this name, then everyone will be same sync. If you
Same
type
page.
another name, yeah, and then it will be like a different when we're trying to select or something fetching. Okay. So insert into tables names, which is persons. The values are this, right?
আসিফ আমি
Uh,
ইয়াটা ভুলে গেছি এই যে কোটেশনটা ইয়া করে এটা কি শিফট
semicolon.
কমা না? হ্যাঁ
সেমিকলনের পরেরটা
শিফট দিতে হবে তো না?
না।
ওকে আমি শিফট দিয়ে করতেছি না কেন হচ্ছে না? ওকে ওকে
Oh, does not match. Why?
The within quotation, comma,
Cannot
empty
get it.
quotation, comma.
612.
Oh,
Do we have to put go in front of
go,
it?
yeah, yeah. At last you have to put go, I think, here after that.
By the 6 to আপডেট দিলেন তাই ওটার আগে 612 এর আগে পরে কোটেশন আছে
No, it's not taking. Wrong of a number supplied values does not match. Right? Last name, first name, varchar. Is this that? So it's not taking. Okay, let's see. Maybe last time I created this one. Let's run to run. I created a table and then I did insert go and when I select it's showing me these two tables out of 4 tables. So this is not taking. The space I provided.
I think it's because we didn't we inserted the alter table person ID integer. So if you make it the integer identity, then I think it should.
Let's say 1.
Yeah, you can do that.
Okay. We have okay. We have one more table. One more field there, right?
Yeah.
Which is the person ID, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. But because of that is might not taking it. Conversion failed when converting the varchar values NOIC to data type int. Okay, so this is like a last one.
so
Because
where do you
test
get it
took like 5th, right?
where do you get a 1 like int
Yeah, integer. We added, see, our first table name is last name, second table is first name, third column is address, fourth is city, fifth is person ID, right? So the first table I cannot put here because this is not a integer. This is the varchar. This is a varchar. This is a varchar. And this is city. varchar. And then I have the integer, fifth column,
So we're
which I
gonna
can
put
put in
one is first, now one is last integer.
last. You see in the table, on the left side, you see is last column. This is showing conversion failed when converting the varchar value NYC to data type integer. The one row affected now.
Is it okay now or?
Yeah. So,
And
So
then
hide
we're
and
gonna
execute.
yeah. So insert into person values, last name Uddin, first name MD, then address Argyle Road, then city NYC, and person area as an integer, which is 1.
wait, 612, no more 612 address.
You can put it there too.
Okay.
I think that's
Okay.
fine
Then
if you
we
want.
have to do go command, go or no?
No, you don't need go. Just do highlight that and do it. That's it.
So now coming like one
One
row
row affected.
affected.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I got that.
So this is one row, right?
Yeah.
Last name, one column. This is one whole row, right? And there is a one column, 2, 3, 4, 5 column with one row, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now, if you want to insert in more value, you can do it here. Just change the value. Change the value and try to run it. You'll see different value. Okay, let's say, we'll see. Globe. Tech. I'm gonna put 2. Yeah, garbage. Let me put for each. We can put ID 2. Okay. Now I'm gonna execute one row effect. So there is a total 2 row affected with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 column. So you have a table right now, 5 column with 2 rows. Right? Clear? Everyone executed?
Then, yeah, yeah, one row affected.
Yes. So first we created a table. Second, we entered one more column into the table, person. Third, we entered values into that table, right?
Yeah.
Clear, everyone? Now we want to see
Yeah.
all the things we created. How are we going to see it? Therefore, Polly, Toha, anyone? Now I want to see my whole table I created with these values. How I can see? What is the command? Select. Tell me what is the command? Select.
Table person or just the person?
Star
Or
from
Now
last name, first name. Last
select.
name,
I need a whole thing. So star wildcard
one card.
from table name, right? Persons,
Person.
right? That's all. I want to see all the things from person table.
Okay.
I executed. You can see it now in the, I have 3 columns.
Why?
Tell me you guys why. Because first time I had Argyle Road, then I changed to 612 Algai Road. That's why you see two columns. One is Argyle Road, one is 612 Algai Road.
Hmm.
And then we have a globe tag. That's why I see two, three, but you might see two. One is if you write in 612 or if you read in Argyle, anyone will see whatever you written.
Yeah, I got two.
So in after person is semicolon or only comma?
Semicolon.
Semicolon. At the end, all semicolon, not comma.
Now also semicolon. So select star form persons.
Person semicolon. These all are
Semicolon.
semicolon at the end.
Then we highlight and execute. No.
Yes, yes.
So even though you deleted it from the right side, but because you executed it, it's going to be in the database, right?
I deleted from right side means
The 612 Argyle, you changed it, and then the old one is not there, right? There is only 2 lines, but we are getting 3 results because you made
yeah,
it.
because first I fetched without 16212, right?
Yes.
And I executed that, and this line was the came. It's only table. So I did not delete any information. Next, within same line, I just add this 612. This is came
Yeah.
612 with the same ID one
Yeah,
because I didn't
my
change the ID.
yeah, my question is if you just remove the insert into person value, the first line, the Uddin, still
Yeah.
when you're gonna print it, it's gonna show it because you already inserted it, right?
Yeah, it's already there in the table. I
It's
did not
already there.
delete anything there from. We
Yeah.
already execute the query, is already fetched the data in the table.
Yeah. Okay.
Now, how many you get? Like 3 line?
Yeah.
I
Why
got
I have
two.
why I have a 5?
I got two.
Ye-
I have 2.
What?
I
Yeah,
got
what do
you.
you get? What do you?
I have
Why
a
you
fi-
get 5? Show me your.
because okay.
So all others you guys got Argyle Road and Tutu
Yeah.
Yegarbe, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Can you guys fetch one more data with 612 Argyle Road with ID 1 because we need to delete and show that
Do you-
also. So
Sorry, I
copy
skin my
that.
share. Can you see?
You share your screen.
Yeah. By that person.
Yes.
Because when I click
So
the when I make
you did 2 times 612 Argyle Road. That's why it came 2 times, same ID. And you did you did 3 times because you got
because
same
3
address
times.
with 111. And you got 2 times with globe tag. That's why you got 2 ID. But that's fine, you're gonna delete it. You're just gonna keep only 2. No, we're
Because
not
when I
gonna
make
keep any duplicate
okay, I make one,
ID.
I execute. I make another one, whole execute. I make third one, make it execute. That's why I
Yeah.
think.
So others, can you also
Yes, I
fetch
have
this
created
data
a
within
another
MD
one.
612? Just add 612 Argyle Road
Yes.
and just
Well, mine
keep
shows
the
already
person ID.
because I did that 612 Argyle Road. That's number
Hmm.
1 and 222. That's number 2. I have only 2.
No, create another one.
Okay.
Maybe just Argyle Road. Instead of 612, do Argyle Road.
Okay. Okay. I got
So
it.
I need
Just
to make
adjust.
I need to make another one.
You are fine. You just need to delete the rows.
Which row I can delete it?
When we're gonna delete it, we're gonna choose maybe 1. You're gonna choose 3 of them. There's a difference.
So you can highlight and execute only one time. Am I right?
You can highlight and execute many times you want. As long as you're changing the values, you can execute many times.
But if you create a table, then you can't. You have to.
Create table is only one time
Okay.
with
Okay.
the same name. But if you want to change the table name, you can execute
Yes.
many times.
No.
Jafar, you created 3 of them like this?
No, I get 2. I'm trying to create another one. Just a second.
Yeah. If you have Argyle Road, create 612 Argyle Road. If you have a 612 Argyle Road, create Argyle Road.
Yeah, I did that and it came. Yep.
Okay.
So
So this is
I
how we see what?
can like hide, and this is like a delete, like highlight and delete it from here.
What?
Like because
Which
I have
one?
it like something double.
I'm not seeing a screen. But you cannot delete from here.
No,
No, you can delete from here.
I can go like in
No,
Give
no,
you-
we're gonna delete it. So when we delete, then you use it. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So this is how we create, see all the tables, right? All the information. If I want to see a particular information, right? What I can do? Let's say I want to see only globe tech. What I'll use? What command I'll use?
Select from
Select from person. That's fine. I'm gonna
person
add. So we need to
and
add now clause, right? Condition,
Insert, yeah.
not insert. Condition.
We want to remove one line, right? So
Where, right?
yeah.
Where
he wants to see only globe text.
person ID equal to 2, right?
No. Is it? Because we have two. Two of them are one.
I'm just person ID equal to 2. I want to see
Only
Okay.
globe text, yeah.
all that. Invalid column name, person ID.
But I have a globe tech in serial 3, so I have to write down in 3 instead of 2.
Hmm?
In a
Yeah,
globe,
whatever is you have the number, you need to write down that number.
yeah.
If you put 2, whatever is in your table on like the 2, it will show that one.
So select all from persons table, right? Then I need to put where. So why person ID is showing me wrong? Invalid column name, why? I have a column name person ID.
And mine showing where is incorrect syntax.
Okay, let me change it and see. Let's see. Last name equal. Okay, that's equal to. So if I execute now. Oh, last name equal not 2.
Not equal to 2, yeah.
Last time is equal to 1, no?
No, it has to be a last name.
Last name equal to sorry,
Globe.
globe. Globe. Okay. Let me get it. Yeah, so you can see only one row showing because I have only one row with this globe name, right? And the last name, right? So these are our wire clause. How you can get the information by wire clause. But if
But
you
why
want to, yeah, go ahead.
my one is not coming? Where last name equal to globe, they coming like message like 156 level 15 something wrong.
You have to select both of them. Select all from person where
Oh,
last name equal to globe in quotations. After that, semicolon.
okay. So both line I have to highlight. Select all
Yes,
from.
It's not coming. I
because
select
where last name equal to globe is not going to come because from where it should take this condition from the person table.
Oh, then I have to take it out the semicolon after persons.
Yes,
Okay.
or you can write in one line also. That's fine. If you want to write in one line, here you can write in one line and execute it.
Yeah.
It's going to be the
Okay.
same thing. I've just broke it to show you like the clause is there, to show you where the clause is there. But if I want to see where last name as a globe, and if I want to use another thing, what I'll use.
Can you please repeat that?
If I want to make it two of them,
Which two? Like last name and first name?
yeah, I want to see last name as a globe, first name as a
We can put
sorry.
comma and then first name, we can put comma after globe. Yeah.
After I put
And then
comma,
first name is
I want my. You see, there is a and or nor gate. I told the condition. I want to meet my both condition. Last name, first name should this and it then it show. So it should be and, right? And clause, right? Remember,
okay.
and first name equal
Okay. No,
take, right?
Yeah.
Why mine is not working?
Yeah, my one too.
Incorrect syntax near the keyboard where? So I have checked everything. I haven't done anything
It will
wrong.
show same thing, right? Because it's matching this globe and tech. But if you are going to say here, instead of TEC, if you put H, right? And if you run the query, you'll not get any result, right?
Yeah.
See? Because with TECS, there is no data in our database.
It doesn't matter.
So even though it matches globe, it doesn't matches first name. So the condition here is it should match last name, first name both because we're using and,
Yeah.
right?
Mhm.
But if we use or here,
Okay.
and if we run, what will happen?
Okay.
It will show us because
The
any
last
of the
name. You
condition
will show
matches.
the last name.
I didn't
Any
change
of.
it. It's still there. Any of or means any condition. If
Yeah.
last
Or
name
yeah.
matches
Mhm.
or first name, so it's matched the last name. It's showing me
Yeah.
record, even though it didn't match last one because we're using
But he put the
or
option
condition.
all.
Yes,
Yeah.
either one condition match, it will give us true value. But
So
if
we
you're putting or, it's not gonna give me any value. It should be match both of them. Clear?
Yeah.
And you
No.
can also use
Actually, I'm
nor.
not clear in here. When I click the
Yeah.
like select from person, then
Oh, sorry.
where last name globe and first name tag, then I execute, is that coming like a first name, last name, address, city, person ID?
What?
Like, and like you put the and, like
Yes.
that way I did it.
Hmm.
And why coming like a last name, address, city, person ID like this?
Last name, first name, city, person ID means?
Yeah.
Yeah, last name, first name, address, city, person ID. It will come like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you have a like two other thing like address, but I only come, no address coming thing.
Show your screen. Select from persons where last name equal globe and first name equal tag. Okay, now highlight it. Select from person and until tag.
Yeah. Go execute. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah, like same coming.
But here after select, there is a space between select and then after space star space from. Did you put that space?
Yeah. Well,
Select,
like select,
first
then
select
yeah.
star, select space star, then space from. Did you put did it? Then space from. After star, there is space.
From.
Now do it.
Like same thing. Last time, first time is select star, then space from person, where space last name,
Equal.
the equal.
Is it equal?
Yeah.
I have to share
There
my
is
screen too.
there is a equal,
We need then globe
yes,
and
and
first name.
there is a TCO. It will not come because TECH. Is there any data in TECH?
Tag.
Do we have any data?
No.
Yeah,
What is
our tech name is only
TEH?
TEC. TEC only.
Yeah.
That's
We
why
Oh.
it's not showing any data.
Oh.
Now, if you put it H there, keep it H there,
H.
put H, not there inside TECH.
Yeah.
And instead of and, use OR. Instead
Okay.
of and, use OR. Now, either one condition need to match, either globe or tech. Before it need to match globe and tech both together. That's why it was not giving you data because there is a no TECH. We have a TECH. Now, run it. Now, is globe or tech anything matches, it will give you the data.
Okay.
See, now
I have,
it's
yeah.
globe matches is giving you data. TECH is not there, but even though it's giving you because one of the condition or last name is matching.
Yeah. So I'm gonna take it out H. Tag.
If you're using OR condition, if you put the TECH, it doesn't matter because one of the condition. If you're putting AND, then you need to give it TEC. Then it will show you all the data before it
So
was not
when-
showing.
So mine, when I do or, it came like globe tech, TEC, and address.
Show your screen.
Yes.
Sharing your screen. Polly, you're
Yeah.
getting?
Yes. Yeah.
Hasib?
I need to share my screen with you.
Okay, sharing. Who is sharing?
Just
Jafar,
me.
okay, let's go with him. Okay, what happened? So, where last name equal globe or first name equal TCH, right?
Yeah.
So, you're seeing the one record because is or means either last name matches or first name matches, it will give you the record, right? So
Yeah.
here our first name is matching globe. Even though last name not matching, it's showing you the result.
Yeah.
But if you use and instead of or, and the and,
Then
change to and, it will not show you anything because it should match globe and tech both together, first name, last name. But in our last name, we don't have a TCH.
yeah.
So if you put and run it, you'll see there is no data showing.
Yeah.
See, there is no data showing because it's not
Yeah.
matching both of them, even though it's matching one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Clear?
Now I get it.
Okay, Hasif, go on.
Share screen 2. Share.
Whenever someone shares their screen, we don't see that. I don't know if other people.
Because I am sharing screen. If I stop it, then you can see it.
Okay. Why I asked you, because I thought we could learn something from their mistake or from their like the system error.
So when I run the select, it's
Mhm.
executing. But
Yes.
when I try to run the second line, it says there is an error near the keyword where, but I don't see anything that.
Well, last time we will do globe.
I think Hasib need to select both lines because it the information from the about the table. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
You're
Yeah, you need
selecting
to
one
select
line
both.
only. It is
Yeah.
not gonna.
Yeah.
If you do one
Okay.
line, it's not gonna do it because
Because
where
it
last
doesn't
name
have the
globe,
information about the table.
what is gonna find it where last name globe? It need
Correct.
to
Yeah.
have a table, right? That's what
Got it.
last time I did to her also same thing. I think I heard it.
Okay, got it.
So everything clear so far, everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Is it excited now? Is learning something new?
Yeah,
Yes.
it is.
Yeah.
It's better
Okay.
than thinking something from
Like
head.
whenever we know how to write down comment or like query or like whatever, it's really interesting So like we need to show, like, and I want to show the run the like address if it comes. Yeah, it's interesting.
Yes.
You will
So
have a cheat sheet, don't worry.
Now how to delete some information from the table.
yeah, that's what we're going to do right now. So we did where condition statement, like how to find the things from the table, right?
Yes.
There are also a lot of complex where condition. There is a case statement, if and else statement, right? We need to see that, right?
Yeah.
So how you can delete some of the things? So if you're using the delete from table name, right? Let's say I have created here two table, one DBO client, one is DBO demo table, one is DBO person table, right?
Yes.
I want to delete my DBO client. Everyone have a DBO client, right?
No, I have a DBO persons.
No, I have client, yes. On the
Yeah,
top.
you should have last time. Oh, you didn't install
Oh,
that, right?
yeah.
Yeah. So guys who don't have, you can create one DBO client.
Can't we delete one line from the persons? Like we created two.
We'll go it. Copy
Okay.
this thing.
Yeah.
I'm sending in the chat. Copy this and paste it there.
And where are you going to paste it?
The query.
Like new query?
Yeah, you can create a new query like this
Okay.
and paste it there and then run that.
New query, and we're going to paste that one?
Yeah. Raju have client. Hasib
Yeah,
have, right?
I have client, then is column. Which one do I have to
Yes,
click?
I have clients.
Okay.
So
What-
we're going to do and highlight and execute.
Okay, I
If it
click.
is a new window, yeah, you don't need to
Yeah.
highlight if there is nothing else.
Oh, it's not coming mistake. Message 102 level 15.
So after DBO client, I click on it, and then which one I click to see that information?
Which information?
Like the one I had in last time in.
DBO column.
Yeah.
We don't have any information in that table. We just created that table.
Yeah, we didn't fetch any information. Just we have a
Yeah,
column name, first name, last name, email, all these things.
Yes.
yeah, I have that. Yes.
You want to see information of the DBO table. That's what I'm saying. Just select from table name. You can see all this thing, all the information. If you want to see the DBO table, you can write the client.
Oh,
Select all from client.
Select from client.
Semicolon. And you run that.
Let me see.
So there is no information. You just have a column name, ID, first name, last name, email, phone.
Maybe some wrong message here.
What happened? The poly created client.
No, I don't
Share
have
it.
the client.
I just put in the chat, right?
Yeah,
Copy
but
there, copy
I
the
did it.
code, open new query window and paste there and run it. Execute it. That's it.
Yeah, you see my one? But
Yeah.
let's see anything wrong here.
Oh.
Create table client. What is saying?
Which are like message?
Yeah. Make it bigger.
Yeah. 102 message 102 comma level 15 comma state 1 level 2 incorrect syntax near ID. Like this
ID int identity. ID int identity. And then ID constant PK. Okay, you have to close bracket. Press enter, take out the semicolon, ID semicolon, take out the semicolon,
one more
enter,
and enter. Okay.
and closing bracket. Yes,
Now
that's
we
it.
can
Now run it. Yeah, now
now
run it. You don't need to select it because there is nothing else.
now we need to execute it.
Yeah, just execute because there is nothing else. You just execute it. You don't have to select it.
Same coming, Mrs. coming.
It's
Oh,
not
okay.
same coming. Refresh there.
Okay. So
Polly got it?
You remember I am sharing, I'm using Christian, but I'm working on it. I'll get it.
Okay.
but
But go to that
Can you
table, right click and refresh. You'll see the DBO
can
and
you share? Can I
demo.
share you my screen quick?
Yeah.
Hmm.
okay, I have personal coming. Yes.
What you running?
No, I was trying to run the ID, first name, and all this, or no?
Which ID first name? Like
No,
which one?
the client.
You're trying to insert?
Yeah, I mean, I already have it on the left side, but
Yeah, but what are you trying to do that? You
like
want
this.
to insert the information within that?
Yes, yes.
Insert into?
Yeah.
So
Oh,
insert into your table name is not person. Your table name is client, right?
yeah, yeah.
You need to change all this client. Instead of person, you need to change the client.
No, on the last line, I say select star
Select
from.
star from your table name is not person. If you want to see is client, right? You need to change the name client instead of person.
No,
From what table? What table you are trying to see? Person or client table? Which table?
no, the client table.
Client table. So you need to change from instead of person, you need to do the client, right?
Yeah,
Or you're
but
writing different ones. Select from client.
yeah.
All from client. Semicolon. You need to put semicolon.
Okay.
Now you highlight that and execute it. You will not see anything because there is a no
Oh,
data.
oh, I see that now. Yeah. Mhm.
You will not see any data.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, everyone clear?
Yes.
Uh-oh. And then what we want to delete?
We created the
So if we want to delete something from the table, right?
yes.
Let's say we want to see select star from person, right?
Yes, you have that on top.
Person. And I want to see all the data. I want to delete now. There is a duplicate row, right? I want to
Yes.
delete only Argyle Road. I want to keep that 6 to Argyle Road, but I want to delete Argyle Road. Agree?
Yes.
So what are you gonna do? We need to put what?
So we need to we are like a client table here. We need to person
We need to
table. How
do
can we get
is
Delete, no?
delete,
Yes.
right?
Yeah, deal, yeah,
Delete from delete.
person.
We don't want all, right?
No.
We want
Oh.
only one field, which address is Argyle Road, right?
Mhm.
So delete per person. What is that condition? Where, right?
Mhm.
Where
Address or
address
Argyle
equal
1.
mm,
Int is the 1.
address is one. It is not one.
After delete, we have to do star or no?
No.
No?
No. Star
Right?
means all, so you don't want everything to delete. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Right? So I'm going to delete the table this row, right? Where address is Argyle Road, right? That's why we're trying to delete it.
So it's gonna delete the whole row or just the address.
The whole row.
Okay. So let's execute it now.
Yeah.
Okay.
So one row affected, right?
Yes. Now select star from person and see.
Now I can
Yeah.
run this query
Yeah,
and
it's
see.
gone.
See?
But
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's gone.
Yeah.
I am like in client and I write down the like delete from person, then coming like 0 row affected.
Oh, you're in the
Y-
client. You have to
Why
get
you
back
are
to
in the client? We are writing
Because-
person. Why are you in the client?
Person. Yeah.
Because we do the like a client, you text me.
Yeah, you created that, but I'm doing what I'm doing. You don't see my screen, what I'm writing here.
I said, so how can I, my question, how can I go the in client table now?
You just write down the query.
Okay.
Why you want to go client table?
Now person table, because person table in
You're
place.
not going, you're not going anywhere. When you're writing select from, right?
Yeah.
If you want to do something person table, you need to write person, then you provide all the information, right? If you want to do something in client table, you write the client here. From whatever name is the table name. We have a table client person. I want to work on person table, then I have to do from person. If I do something else, then it will go to some table. This is the name of the table.
Yeah.
Clear? From is the name of the table. So I selected select all from person. I saw there was a 3 record. Then I put where clause, where last name equal to globe and first name equal to tech. I fetch that information now, right? Now I trying to delete some informations, which is delete command from person table, not the client table. Where address equal to Argyle Road. I had a Argyle Road, then I have also 62 Argyle Road. I want to delete Argyle Road only. So I execute this one, and when I again run this select from person table, I saw one record gone, is only showing 2 record. Everyone got it?
Give me one second.
Therefore,
1 second.
Hasib,
Yes, I got it. Yeah. This is clear. I was trying to find a solution for the uh, ID column, person ID column to move it forward. I found something, but it's not saving. Do you want me to share my screen and so that, or we can discuss that later after you're done with this
yeah.
class?
Everyone done?
I was a little bit delete from, I was in Give me one moment, delete.
You can use that before after command, I think. Okay, let me try the meantime. Alter person table. Oh, I want to do change.
Mine, after I did it, it says that one row affected. Why is it that?
Oh no. Hmm?
After I executed, it says one row affected.
Yeah, one row affected. That's it. Now
Yeah.
you check. Uh,
Select star from person and you'll see that that line is gone.
do move person ID to last name.
But
Change
that's
column.
where the last name is gonna be in the last column, right? But we just
Change column person ID, which is int. Before and last name, right?
yeah.
Last name Archer. Mm, mm, change. Label.
The alter table person is semicolon, no? It's not a comma,
Yeah.
am I right?
It's not gonna go because change. Mm, sorry, the last. Change.
Change column, then last name, person ID.
Change. I have to look in that because okay. I'll check that later to move that.
Okay,
It
take a
should be
break.
like
Little
change here before something.
So I found something in the on the Object Explorer, but it says that I need to create a new table for that. So if
Okay,
you
We'll
Okay.
come that later.
Okay.
That's not important right now.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so everyone got it until there, right? Deleted.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so if we want to delete a table, right? What command are you going to use?
Delete from person.
Yeah, so if you write delete from person and
Mhm.
semicolon, it's going to delete your whole table with all the information.
We don't have to put a star in front of from.
Yeah, if you put star, it will going to delete.
Okay.
No,
No, if you
table you
put
don't
star,
need to
then it's gonna
star
delete
because
everything.
you don't
Okay.
need delete star because you're deleting the table. Table
Okay.
means whole table.
Yeah.
You're not
Delete.
deleting anything.
But it's gonna keep the format of the table, right? It's just gonna delete the data from the table.
Delete means everything deleted. Drop
Oh, so
only is keep the
oh,
format.
Drop in,
okay.
keep
Not.
it.
Okay. Yeah. Sorry. Alrighty.
And then so we done with the insert into where clause and or not. Which we use not command.
No,
No.
not yet.
Papa,
Hmm.
Apu tekulan mobile out fair nami tekulan na.
Okay, आपको बोला all yes. So same thing as a like condition. Where is and okay, so we can use like select from this where last name included. Imraz? No, you have a homework. Go to the homework. Sit down and do the homework. So we can use select
Select
where.
star.
What is the condition you can put? From table name where? Not condition. Right? What do you want to see? Where you can show ID equal to not or how you can use? Tell me. You know or and.
Yes, we do that. No.
Yes.
Now,
So how about not? Not. How you can use that not?
so the first let's do is like last name equal to globe and not.
So where? Not, right?
Yeah.
Not last name equal to
Globe. So it's gonna show everything else other than that one.
what do you think?
I think so.
It's
Yeah.
both. We're gonna see both.
No.
It's not gonna show globe.
Yeah.
So we don't want
Yeah.
the globe one. We not last name will be globe. We are saying last name will be globe, don't show that. Where not? If I say last name equal to then it's gonna show me all other, right?
Yes.
It will not show me last name Uddin, but all other it will show me. See? Showing globe.
Mhm.
So that is not means you don't want to see what record, you can use mention that not. And with not, you can use last name and first name, right? Equal,
We can put multiple clause in there. Yeah.
you can put the clause, right?
Yeah.
Same as a
Why it's not showing the globe tech?
It will not.
Because
Because here is first executing these two condition,
yeah, so
MD and Uddin.
yeah,
After that, like where not last name,
but
Uddin, and first name is equal to MD.
This is the first name. Is that first name is our equal to MD or
uh,
After first name, what you write down the one?
yeah, first name
first
MD.
yeah, it should
Last
show
name?
globe tech, right?
It should
Yeah, because we are saying not last name Uddin and first name MD. So the first line is not going to show, but it should show the globe tech
if you
for
put
sure.
or
Oh,
you
that's
cannot use that clause like that way.
I think so, yeah.
That's why it's not executing, you know.
So we can
You have
only
to
say
use
yeah.
either not
What if you use another line where you say where not first name equal to MD on the second line? There's you create another line.
no, it's not gonna get executed.
Right. Okay.
Because this or and not get used with while condition only one time.
Okay.
You can use I think and I think you can use it and
But my one is coming like some error message.
first name equal to
It's the same thing actually. So it's not gonna show
it.
anything. No, it's
Yeah,
not gonna
so
show
even the same thing is gonna send message you're providing. So that is not you can use where and where last name equal to and or and you can use not. Okay, go. Come and go. Okay. What else? We are not going to go with John today.
So mine, when I selected select from persons where not last name Uddin, it came to the just address,
Just address means
like the Globe Tech address and the city.
Yeah, same thing me.
this.
Yeah, that's what it's
That's
supposed
what
to.
will come.
Okay.
But your one look like a difference.
Where? Right now I'm
I see.
using not.
Oh, okay.
Not. Where not last name equal to did.
No, I
I
did
didn't
not.
I didn't execute it right now.
Oh, okay.
See,
Okay.
I
Okay.
execute right now because I was
Oh,
doing same other thing.
yeah, that's why I was a little bit confused. I see.
Yeah. Okay, there is
Are
a
you
client
gonna
table, right?
Yeah, are you gonna go over all the data type like time data type, date? Those are
Yes.
Yeah, I will go.
okay.
So I want to fetch some information within this client table.
Okay.
Let's say we can insert
Can we take a little
sound.
break? Or no?
I'm gonna go over and finish it. No break right now.
Okay. Okay.
We do this thing and then just go on. That's it.
Okay.
Let's say I'm gonna
So we're gonna
copy
work
this.
now in from client table.
Yeah. We're gonna put some information in the client table, right? So just insert into client. right? Values. What values do you have? First name. And we have a last name. And we have a email address. ABC @gmail.com.
উদ্দিনের পরে এটা কি লিখলেন দেখা যাচ্ছে না। জিম
ABC at the ABC, right? ABC, ABC at the
ABC
gmail.com.
Is it okay because you type like the small letter? Is that fine or no?
That's fine, that's fine. And then comma,
কমা না সেমিকোলন?
not semicolon. We have a phone number, right? 929340244. Now we're gonna fetch here.
And then this number is any number we can put it.
Yeah. But just put it whatever I'm putting it right now. Don't put different right now because that time we will be different. I'm gonna put MD Soha. I'm gonna use this. Um, 92934022221. Right. Can you share me? Address. For this one I use Yahoo, yahoo.com, abcyahoo.com. And this one I'll use abcusa.com. Nine two nine three four zero 2231. Then use the offer. ABC hotmail.com. The 41. Nasi, what is the last name? Hassan, right?
Chaudhary.
Use same copy, paste here, abc dot, what else? Gmail, Yahoo, us.com, hotmail.com,
Outlook.
Outlook. Everyone wrote it, or I should put it in chat
Well,
box?
I'm following you, so I will watch the video and do it.
I can put in the chat box. You guys can.
Yeah.
Chat box, so whenever we finish the class, it doesn't.
No, put it right now. I'm putting in the
Okay. Okay.
chat box. Copy it and paste it instead of writing.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, that's a good idea. Yeah.
Okay, I put it. So copy and paste it so your information is the same.
Then execute. Oh, there is
Instead
a
of demo table, just change it to the actually client.
yeah, I did,
All of
but
them.
yes, still it says there's an error. String or binary
have
data could
idea.
be
Time I
Okay, ma'am.
put in the
That's good.
table. Last
I'm
name.
just talking.
What is that?
It says there's something issue with the last.
Varchar not null. Okay, so here, okay. So first name, it should be ID, the primary key. So we need to have first name here. It's not gonna match.
But it is actually executing the first line.
Oh, it's given like, hold on. What is the given there? First line.
I mean,
Oh, it's
Primary key is
Uddin
already
MD ABC at Gmail and phone number. It's executing the first line for me, but not the
not the
next four.
second line.
Not the next 4 lines. No.
Let me see.
it's coming error message look like.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 1 to 5 row. Why not? Here I see 5 row fetched. 1 row, 1 row, 1 row, 1 row. Every
Yeah.
inside 1 row fetched.
Yeah, 5 row, but they coming like
They're going to what?
message.
Before there was a no information. Right now,
Oh, I'm also getting error message too.
আপনি তো আমার
you
মনে
guys
একটা
doing
বলেছি কি
something wrong.
না
Something wrong
প্রতিটার
you
সাথে
guys
তো
doing.
প্রতিটার সাথে তো কমা হওয়ার কথা লাস্টে হওয়ার কথা সেমিকোলন
Semicolon. Every
Line has to
insert
end with
last
semicolon.
line end to semicolon. If you don't do that, it will be it is a problem.
No, I put the semicolon.
yeah everyone semicolon
I just copy and paste it.
paste yeah
See, I did it. Select. I fetched how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
yeah
5
can you
lines.
check it I can
Instead of
screenshot
instead of demo table, it's gonna be client, no?
Yeah, it's going to be client. Everyone
I mean,
need to
mine
replace the client.
everything. Let me see. MD.
Maybe you're missing some these things.
Is it- এই যে
Quotation mark, comma,
Mine everything is okay.
quotation comma, quotation comma. You're missing
Yeah.
those things.
Mine is saying that the string or binary data would be truncated in table master column last name, truncated value TOH, Toha, Polly, Zafar, Cho. I mean, why it's shorting it down? I mean, do you want to see my screen?
Yeah, sure.
I think so, আমি yeah okay
Whose screen was that?
my screen
You need to change the demo table into as a client. All the demo table written there is client. It should be.
So when I run the select from client, it's just
Okay.
showing the first line. And
Well,
when
I don't see you. I don't see your screen.
I shared.
So, but it will come like one row affected all of them, right?
Yes, one row, one row, one row. 5 of them,
Yes,
you'll see
I got it.
every row is affected.
I got it. Yes.
So when I
So how
do
about I
th-
just change it to demo to
I got
client?
it.
yeah, can you see my
So,
screen?
yeah, make it bigger.
This. How do you make it?
Like control and then scroll
Oh,
the key. Yeah.
what's the key for the making it large?
Control and scroll the key on the mouse, the round
Oh,
key
okay.
on the top.
Okay.
Or the plus
Yeah.
side, or
Yeah,
you can
yeah.
put the
Okay,
plus
got
sign.
it.
Yeah. Okay.
So over here, when I do this, it's just showing me the first line.
No, but run that inside into first.
Yeah, and when I
You need to
run
fetch.
the
If it is not fetch all of them, then you'll
yeah,
show only
when
one
I
record.
execute it, it's saying this.
One row fetched.
Mhm.
And then the statement has been terminated. Why? Then it's a string or binary.
And it's the issue with the last name.
Why?
I don't know why.
What you wrote is not null. You take out the spaces. After a comma, there is a spaces, all of them. Take out take out the spaces all
But
for
I
all
have
of them.
that on the first line as well, but
But take it out all of them.
yeah.
That his one is little different.
Can you did you copy and paste it on the chat? I can try to run
Yeah.
that from there and see what happens.
Hold on, let me put it again because I just changed it.
Okay.
Hold on.
It's I think there is something wrong with my parameters on the bar
Go
chart.
and
Yeah.
see it.
Copy. I'm gonna replace everything here.
Everyone got it? Others got it?
Yes, yes.
But my one is coming message. I changed the one demo to client. But
It will all come one row affected.
Show
5
screen.
row affected.
Okay.
Show screen.
Does it come 5 row affected?
So now I think all of them are wrong.
Wrong?
Yeah, string or binary, same.
The statement has been terminated. So
by screen দেখতে পারছেন?
go to your dear client. No.
Over here.
Yeah.
Where is my client? This is my client.
You cannot know last name. First name, last name.
Oh, I found it. It's 3. It should be 30. That's why. Okay, got it.
Oh, you put 3. Yeah, that's what I was
Yeah.
thinking.
Yeah, thank you. I can
So
fix
change
it.
it to 30, not 3.
Yeah.
Which one?
Is
Oh, but
Uh,
now I can't run it again, right? Because it's going to create another table.
which one?
If I execute it again,
No, alter. Just do alter. Last name Bharchar is 30.
okay.
Oh. That
Okay, I
is
got it.
no, that is it.
Yeah.
Got it?
I mean, I know what was wrong, so I can fix it
No.
later, I think. Yeah. Mhm.
You can maybe write it right now. You can put the last name as a 3 letter.
Yeah, I can do that too.
And
Yeah.
try to change,
Mhm.
run it and see later you can change it. What about the insert into client values? Well, this is a you're getting a issue here. Insert first. Right click on the insert there. Yeah. No,
Okay.
just hover on. Don't right click. Just hover on there.
Or I can delete and write down again.
Incorrect syntax near insert dot. Did you put dot?
No.
Sure. Yeah. There is a space, right?
Yeah.
Insert into. Okay. Go online and enter there after
In
the
here.
bracket. No, go on the bracket before insert.
Okay.
Last end of the bracket. Yeah. And enter.
Are we on the same page now or what?
Here you see the comma after the comma where not last name equal to UDDIN, right? Take out the bracket. The bracket should not be there.
Which bracket? That
That
one?
bracket, yeah.
Okay.
Now it's gone. Now run it. So 5 rows affected.
So bracket is not over there. Means normally anything we do is start bracket and finish bracket, no?
Yeah, but there the bracket is wrong because you're not doing anything with that, right?
Okay.
When you create table and start bracket and end bracket, that's done there. So you have the access bracket there, which was wrong in the query.
So first row affected, second row affected, all row is affected.
Yes. So you can now select star from client, semicolon, you can see all the information, whatever you entered.
Then
Oh, okay. So, oh, I didn't get that part.
select.
What you putting city there? Why is city on the right? Yeah, but why is city there?
You talk to me.
Yes. At the end, what is city?
So after we executed, we type selector.
No, wait 1 minute. Toha, what is the city? You see the city? Take out the city letter. At the end of that layer, there is a city. What is that? Take out. Yeah, now
I don't know how they come.
semicolon. Semicolon there. There should be semicolon.
Yeah. Then select star.
Select space star.
Yeah.
Not together. Then space from
From
persons.
space. Persons or
Yes,
client.
person. Client, sorry. It's
Client.
Yeah, client semicolon. It's
Client.
right there. You can click that.
Then semicolon.
Yes. Now just highlight that part only and execute it.
Only this part or whole.
Yeah, this part.
Select space star space from client
Yes, semicolon.
semicolon and execute it.
Yeah, only execute that part. Select,
Okay, yeah.
highlight that only and then execute it.
Oh, okay. Okay. I see that now.
Polly, you got it?
No, my client table didn't create.
What?
Yep.
What happened? I did send you that.
Yeah, I copy and that. I can show you my screen. I switched
Show
it.
me the screen.
I don't know.
Alter table client.
Where? Where is the create table?
I didn't.
Create table client ID and ID. What is there? Semicolon. Why the semicolon after the ID? Constant big ID, take a semicolon, enter, closing bracket. The other way, closing, yes. Now run it.
Okay.
Highlight full. Execute it.
Okay.
So now go to the table and right click and refresh. Not table, okay, sorry, MSD, system DB, right? Master, click on master. Tables. You have a person's client.
Yeah.
Now you fetch this data, run the data, insert into, highlight both, all of them.
Up to select or
Yeah,
here?
no, up to there.
Yeah.
Now
Okay.
5 rows. Now select from client, select this one. There is a semicolon. Select star, select star, space, select space, star, space.
Hmm.
Okay, now run that. You'll see all the tables you
Yeah.
fetch the data. Now delete this inside into the last one you're waiting.
Or delete this.
Yeah, you don't need that. You've already done that.
Can you delete from?
The file,
What is that?
go to the file. Not files, I think edit. Select all and delete. Not select, sorry, not select all. Highlight
Then
that.
it's gonna. Yeah, I highlighted.
You selected that?
Yeah, I did that. Like here.
Then right click and delete should become, right?
Nope.
Then edit and delete.
The
Edit
delete
and
button
delete.
is. Okay.
Yeah, edit and delete.
Thank you.
Everyone done?
Yes, yes.
Hasib, you got it?
Yes, I'm trying to write that command where I can say alter table client, and before we use add to add a new column, but this time I'm trying to alter one. So what should be my last? What should I put before last name?
So it's kind of a change one, I think. I need to check that.
So when you make alter table, add person, this is a client ID, INT, am I right?
This is a table name, client, person, these all are table name.
Yeah.
From which table? From person table or client table?
Client table.
I need to check Hasib that one. I'll let you know.
Okay.
Right now keep it on 3.
Yeah. It works when it's 3. I'm trying to.
Or you can delete that row, delete from where that column name, and then add alter table, add column name, and you can do that too.
Yeah,
Either way.
Yeah, but that column is gonna be on the last then. And there is one more.
Yeah.
One
In
more.
that case, the column will be the last one.
Yeah. And for some reason, it's other than the primary ID, there is another ID column showing with different numbers on it. I don't know why.
It show only the one IDPK, right? ID
No,
number.
For me, it's showing 2. I don't know why. And there's multiple. I can delete those, but should I share my screen?
Yeah, you can see.
That's so weird. Screen to share.
So you guys can practice this like inserting the information, deleting information.
Yeah.
Like selecting the information with where, clause, not, and, or.
Hmm.
Yes, I'll definitely do that. We don't have a class on this Sunday, right?
No.
No.
We have class this Sunday.
Where you have ID, PK, there is a one not null. Where isn't two ID?
So you see, there's like one primary ID, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. And what is this one? And where did it came from? I don't have that on my client.
This 1, 10, 15.
Yes. I don't have that column in my.
That's ID. So it
Yeah,
should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
yes,
That should
this
be
is
1, 10, 15, 25.
right. Maybe because I run it so many times, that's why. And try to execute it many times. Yeah, probably because the last
Might
four
be.
is, yeah, last 5 is the same IDs. Yeah, okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
might be.
So every time the system tries to create something, even if it can't, it's gonna like count that number.
Yeah, the ID is given as a automatic. That's why it's showing automatic, because here we did ID int as identity. We did it.
Yeah, okay. Yeah,
That's
and
why. If we didn't do ID as a identity, then we should provide the number, ID number.
okay, yeah.
And whatever we provided, it should give only that.
We did
Like,
identity. That's why it's showing like that.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Because if you see the percent table,
Yeah.
and
So there is
see,
one way I
there
was
is a
trying to.
ID
sorry.
1, 2, we provided percentage
Yes.
1, 2.
Yeah. Yeah.
It is giving 1, 2.
So there is one way I found that we can try to fix it. Like if I open this modify, but
Yeah, you can do it from there also.
but it doesn't. When I try to save it, it says it
No,
needs.
you choose it. You didn't choose it.
No,
On the
that's
right
allow.
side,
That's allow now.
allow null. Okay, so
But
where saving changes is not permitted. The changes following tables to be dropped and recreated. Okay, so you need to
I think I found something on the tools. Let me.
dropped and recreated.
Okay, let's. I'll try to do a little bit of research, and you're gonna come back to me, right? Next
Yeah.
week. Yeah. All right. Okay, I'm gonna stop sharing that.
So we have a
Okay.
class this Sunday or not?
Yes, we do, right?
This Sunday.
Yes, because we
We-
didn't have
okay.
any class
Last time we didn't have it, right? Okay.
And I don't want to change it, but I would. It's far away ahead. I'm just giving you a heads up. I will not be able to do the class on Thursday, the 9th of March. It's a long ahead.
March is long ahead.
Yeah, but I'm just saying because I'll be out from the Ohio for 4 days. That's why.
Okay.
Okay.
So you
Okay.
want to change the class in instead of Thursday in a Wednesday?
Okay, we can talk later that one.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
far
Okay,
away.
so right now I'm gonna finish it here. So you guys have these queries,
Yeah.
open it and practice it.
Thank
Try
you.
to understand
All right.
the queries, all this like why insert into like client, all these things like not on or where clause, select, insert into, add, alter table, all these things, right? And if you want to create a table, you can create it and delete the table with the delete command. So you can
Yeah.
play around a little bit with the
Yeah.
same thing.
I will. Yeah.
Thank you.
So
And
that's
the
all.
and
Yeah,
the Sunday
go ahead.
class is at the same time, like 11.
Yes, not 10 or 11. What we had, 11? Yeah, 11. Yeah.
And I have a question.
Yes.
Yes.